Hello FunXies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna make another handmade doll, and this doll I've already made in one of my previous videos, so you can go and check that out on my channel. So now I'll start painting the facial expressions. Now I'll make a pretty blue colored eyes. Now I'll make the eyebrows as well, and then I'll make the lips. Okay, so now it's drying. Now let's start making the dress. So for that, as you can see, I've taken this fabric cloth bag, and it's very easy to find these days in the market, so you can go and check that out as well. Now I'll just trace her body part for the skirt, and then I'll fold it from half and then cut it out. So now once I get these two shapes, as you can see, one is from the front and one is for the back. Once that is done, I'll just fold it from the middle and I'll cut it over here. So I get these two parts. Now I'll just stick the corners. And so once that is done, I'll just make some fringes over here in the bottom side with the scissors. Okay, so once that is done, this is a belt which I'll be making, and then I'll stick this fabric tape over here, and then I'll stick the dress. Once that is done, I'm taking my sketch pens and drawing these highlights onto the skirt just to make it a fabric kind of look. So now once that is done, I'll make her wear the skirt. Now guys, I'll just stick some gems over here just to make her look like a button. Once that is done, I'll stick this over here, the same fabric cloth bag piece as a tube top. So now once the tube top is nice and fit, after that what I'll do is that I'll take the same fabric over here and I'll start drawing these beautiful designs. So this will be for the ruffle. It's kind of a off the shoulder top. So that's what I'm going to do over here. So guys, as you can see, once that is done, I'll just glue it together and make the ruffle. So now once I'm done doing that, I'll stick it onto the tube top. that is done, I'll make some pretty beautiful white colored boots over here. So for that again I'm using the white fabric cloth bag and some cardboard cutouts. This is very easy to make, you can make it yourself. So now I'll make her wear these boots. Here what I'll do is that I'll stick some bow over here on the boots, and once that is done, now let's make the hairs. So guys, I know right now a lot of you are quite familiar with how I make the hairs. If not, you can go and check out my previous videos. I've shown in complete details. So I'll take some silk thread, wrap it around the cardboard and then take them out. Once that is done, I'll start painting the scalp in the same color I'm making the hairs, and then I'll stick some jewelries over here, and then let's start sticking the hairs as well.
We're falling hard to find the answer.
Now once that is done, I'll just start making a beautiful white cap just to match with the boots. And I'm taking the same white fabric cloth bag pieces over here and some glue. Then I'll insert some cottons inside. Now after it's done, I'll stick this cardboard piece over here, and ta-da, my cap is now ready. Now I'll take my doll and make her wear it. So now once this is done guys, this is the final video, the final look of my doll. I just loved it. If you guys also like this video, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.
The life of dreams.